Hello everyone, today let's meet 20 solar system objects just like Mars, Jupiter and Venus. First, Sun. The Sun is a huge star at the center of the solar system. It provides light and heat to all planets. Without the Sun, life on Earth is impossible. Next, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is very hot during day and very cold at night. Mercury has no atmosphere, it has no moon. Next, Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is similar in size to Earth. Venus has a thick toxic atmosphere. It also called Earth's sister. Next, Earth. Earth is the only planet with life. It is air, water, and land. Earth revolves around the sun. It has no natural satellite, the moon. Next, Moon. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. It reflects sunlight at night. The moon controls ocean tides. Humans have landed on the moon. Next, Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. It has mountains and valleys. Scientists search for life on Mars. Mars has two moons. Next, Phobos. Phobos is a moon of Mars. It is small and irregular in shape. It orbits very close to Mars. It may crash into Mars in the future. Next, Deimos. Deimos is the second moon of Mars. It is smaller than Phobos. It has a smooth surface. It moves slowly around Mars. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has a strong gravity. Jupiter has many moons. It has a giant red storm. Next, Europa. Europa is a moon of Jupiter. It has an icy surface. Water may exist under the ice. It may support life. Next, Ganymede. Ganymede is a Jupiter's biggest moon. It is a larger than Mercury. It has a magnet field. It is very cold. Next, Saturn. Saturn is famous for its rings. It is a gas giant planet. Saturn has many moons. It is very light in density. Next, Titan. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. It has a thick atmosphere. Liquid lakes exist on Titan. It is very cold. Next, rings of Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. They are very white and bright. They orbit around Saturn. They are visible from Earth. Next, Uranus. Uranus rotates on its side. It is very cold and windy. Uranus is a blue-green in color. It has faint rings. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet. It is very cold and dark. It has strong winds. Neptune appears blue. Next, Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is very small and icy. It was once called a planet. It lies in the Kuiper belt. Next, asteroid belt. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. It contains many rock objects. Asteroids vary in size. Some can hit planets. Next, comet. Comets are icy space objects. They glow near the sun. They have a tail of gas. They travel long paths. Next, Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is beyond Neptune. It contains icy bodies. Pluto is part of it. It's very cold and distant.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.